Welcome to the L'Oréal Future Talent Education Programme. In this intermediate series, we will cover setting and dressing hair. Within this video, you will understand how to create victory rolls within the hair. Discuss the desired outcome with a consultation. Talk to the client about their desired look. Use images to help understand the final look they desire. Assess the client's hair texture and density. Understand the client's lifestyle and the occasion for which they are having their hair done. Prepare your client with the appropriate personal protective equipment for the service. Sterilize your equipment before use. The first thing to do is to make sure you have all the correct equipment ready on your trolley. Why we do it. Victory rolls are a classic hairstyle that never goes out of fashion, adding a sophisticated touch to any look. They frame the face beautifully, highlighting facial features and adding dimension to the hairstyle. Victory rolls can be adapted for various hair lengths and textures, making them a versatile choice for different occasions. Start with clean, dry hair. When setting the hair to create texture for the foundation, apply product to the hair for heat protection and hold. Divide the hair into sections. The victory rolls typically use the front sections of the hair. Take a section of hair from the front. Using a backcombing brush or fine-tooth comb, backbrush the hair at the roots to create volume. Hold the section with tension and brush towards the roots in small, quick motions. Repeat a few times to build the desired height and volume. Gently smooth the surface of the backcombed section with a brush, being careful not to flatten the volume. The goal is to keep the volume intact while making the outer layer smooth and polished. Hold the ends of the section and roll the hair towards the scalp, creating a loop or roll shape. Secure the roll with grips at the base, ensuring it is tight and secure. Ensure all pins are hidden within the roll for a seamless look. Repeat the process on the other side to finish the look. Gently brush the surface for a smooth finish. To remove the victory roll, start by gently removing the grips, securing the rolls. Be careful to avoid pulling or tugging on the hair. Slowly unroll the hair, letting it fall naturally. Use your fingers to gently separate any sections that may be tangled. Use a wide tooth comb to brush out the hair, removing any remaining backcombing. Start at the ends and work your way up to avoid breakage. By following these steps, you can learn to create stunning victory rolls that add vintage charm and elegance to your look. Continue your learning journey by completing the intermediate setting and dressing hair unit. To discover more resources, go to the Future Talent page on L'Oréal Access. This dedicated page will support you in your educational hairdressing journey.